Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. NSCN IM Prakang Pokpite Manu Murai Dia Porkuki in P Manipur Laga allegations reject Rishi. Cockroach Janata Party CJP Laga founder Abhijit Dipke aji India te punchikina Jantar Mantar te protest loshi. Dimapur Eastern Nagaland Students Union pra Dimapur minor sexual abuse case te fear investigation nimite demand Rishi. Confederation of Nagaland Chamber of Commerce and Industry pra state government ke garite stickers or signatures taka ban kuri dia notification to all of time nimite holte rakhibole urge kurshi. National Socialist Council of Nagalim NSCN IM pra Manipur laga apex cookie body cookie NP Manipur KIM aritu logote affiliate taka groups ke ja kali tinta cookie civilians ke kangpokpi te morai dia laga connection te verify nakura misa claims spread nakurble jnadishi. NSCN IM Praja Kali Kuki Inpi Manipur Pra press statement te Loibol Kulen Busti Kangpokpi district te Ektam Pujur Fale attack Hwato armed Naga groups pra se kwaikina allege Krato strongly reject Rishi Ekta strong jawab te NSCN IM Prakuki Inpi Manipur Jani Janikina ulta khobor spread kuriesi ar public khan ke mislead kurbanimite hosato biya kuriesi kwaikina junadishi. Statement allege kurishi ki apex cookie body unverified allegations cholaikina region te ita ethnic crisis choli thaka upor public laga narrative to manipulate kurble kuri ase koishe NSCN IM janashi ke cookie NP Manipur bar manu mura aru victims kan duk pai thaka khan takhan nijor laga lap nimite cholai ase koishe aru takhan naga nium ituto bar kurikina ha karne NSCN IMB adat hoi jaishi koikina janadishi accusations kan misi ase koikina outfit janashi ke eneka propaganda khobor khan spread kurapra Manukhan Majute Bisasto Komtiola Hoikina, Jamalato Bishi Huahi Hubokoshi, NSCN IM Prainika Ulta Information Spread Kurato, Criticize Kurikina, Cookie NP Manipur, Artakhan Logote Affiliate Taka Groups Ke, Claims Juntu Verify Huanai to can share Nakura Hujabole Urge Kurishi, Group P Public or Media Ke, Hosa Juntu Fear or Independent Investigations Laga Modot Pra Confirm Kure, Itu Kantehi Bisas Kurble Appeal Kurishi. Delhi te aji security ekdom bishi hoa sabole paishe kote India te ekdom joldi dangor hoikina jai thaka Cockroach Janata Party CJP laga founder Abhijit Dipke aji India te ahikina Jantar Mantar te India laga exam aru pura likha system te allege irregularities taka opor accountability demand kurikina protest lead kurishi. Protest junto 1000 nishna manu pra attend kurishe takhan pra NEET CBSE CUET aru SSC GD nishna exam khante controversies thaka nimite Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ke resign kurble demand kurishe. Protesters allege kurishi ki bar exam paper leak hoikina administration te irregularities thaka aru system fail hua pra students bishi duk pai se koikina janadishe. Important jaga khante Delhi police or paramilitary forces ke deploy kurishe kote traffic diversion or security steps khan bi thakishe. Protest nimite one time permission dikna Delhi police pra protesters ke protest to 10 baji pra sam 5 baji tak lobole allow krishi. CJP leader Dipke pra talaga supporters khan ke thanda thakikina peacefully protest korbele urge krishi. Jantar Mantar te protesters khan students limited justice mangikina alak placards dhura sabole paishi. Protest organized kura khan prabi junashi ki online petition juntu pra education minister ke resign korbele demand kore itute 8 lakhs nishna manu pra sign kurishi koishe. Cockroach Janata Party juntu ke CJP koikina bi jane ituto Chief Justice of India Surya Kant pra unemployed youths khan ke Cockroach logote compare kura pichte ja moina meite form hwa laga ase. Movement ituto ekbar pra manu bishi laga support paishe especially students unemployed youths kun khan examination unemployment or governance loikina khushi na paikina thaka khan logote pra. Dimapur Eastern Nagaland Students Union DNSU pra Director General of Police Nagaland ke Dimapur Langri Jante hua alleged sexual abuse case te fear or time bound investigation nimite janai dikhna memorandum submit krishi. Memorandum te DNSU President or General Secretary pra case opor concern janai dikhna state krishi ki minor victim sob justice dignity protection aru ku bhoy na thakikna takhan ki huni bole opportunity di bole lage koikna junadeshe lote public laga bisas ensure korbo nimite union pra firearm banduk to kote pra ahishi kun naga ase aru kun bra cholai ase judi legalize asina nai to opor bi bhal pra investigate korikna manu kun responsible ase takhan against legal action lobo nimite demand krishi. Takhan bi manukun victim laga naam biya korble allegedly statement di ase aru manu sob kun incident itu directly nohoile indirectly jane takhan sob ke examine korble jana dishe di NSUB manukun pra crime itu lokabule aru support korble modo dishe to khan against bi action demand korise kote takhan bi sob accused aru manukun itia bi lokaise to khan ke bisari kina law agete anibole urge korise aru prosecution ke judi accused kunba ke release kura pra investigation te dictar hobule parile bail to against korble urge korise union pra special investigation team SIT banai kina DIG laga rank pra niche ola nahwa officer ke investigation to supervise korble dikina DGP Rupin Sharma ke case to monitor korobo nimite janadishe union bi victim ar talaga family ke protection or support dikina POCSO Act 2012 under victim laga identity to strictly confidential kun ke bi janibole na dibo nimite janai dikina manukun investigation te dictar korble kore takan against action nimite janadishe the NSU janashi ki bacha against offense pra society laga foundation biya kurde koikna warn korise ki case te deri hwa na hoile compromise korle justice system upor public laga bisas hari jabo koise union janashi ki police law cholaikina thik pra ek kribo ar victim ke protect kribo koikna bhal ichha janadishe Confederation of Nagaland Chamber of Commerce and Industry CNCCI pra state government ke olop time age gari tebra religion based NGO based or dusra unauthorized signatures aru identifiers khan nalaga bole koikina ban kura notification issue kura to stakeholders sob logote bhal pra kotha na kura tak nimite implement na kore kina suspend hold te rakhibole urge korise press release te CNCCI chairman Dr Kekuka Muru ar general secretary Avi Chasepra notification upor concern janashe especially judi notification itu commercial gari khan nimite asna nai itu junai nadia nimite kwaikina janadishe government motor vehicles act under gari laga markings kinika hobole lage to regulate korble right thaka to support korise hoilebi CNCCI prakile notification to itiahi introduce korise ar Nagaland te ki karni implementation under alag alag markings iman bhorta cover kore koikna sawal korise Takhan janashi ki India laga dusra jagate notification to bishi ola unauthorized VIP mark caste based slogan political display government sign ulta fale pra chola aru modify Quran number plates khan ke hi target kore koise CNCCI pra sawal korise ki kile Nagaland government rule to public logote consult kotha na kore kina apply kori ase koikna janashi ki Bihar aru Uttar Pradesh teto takhan mainly garite caste based sticker or signifiers hi target kore koikna janadishe CNCCI janashi ki Nagaland laga ekdom unique political or security situation nimite church tribal leaders NGOs or community organization laga stickers or identifiers to manu khan ke trusted groups ke janibo nimite modot kore koise aru itu to emergencies or law and order situation time bishi kam ahe koikna state korise CNCCIB notification itu gari dusra states pra aha khan ke effect hobona nai to upor concern jana dikina state korise ki religious symbols institutional logos charity organizations markings or community identifiers to exam kuribona nai to upor notification to clear nai koikna jana dishe CNCCI janashi ki policies junto society nimite important thake itu khante age tribal hosts church organizations civil society groups transport association business bodies or stakeholders logote consult korble lagi koikna janadishe CNCCI janashi ki takhan law aru bhal pra society cholato support kore hoilebi rules junto pra iman sal pra thaka social or community practices te dictar kore to stakeholders logote bhal pra kotha koikna consult kori sapichte hi introduce korble lagi koikna janadishe